This is Shekhar from BSc MPC first year. I am here before you to present the speech on importance of agriculture and the organic farming. We can make the change. We will make the change. We should make the change. However, the technology grows. We always stand behind the agriculture. Agriculture is the past. Agriculture is the present. Agriculture is the future. This is the power of agriculture. Our country is agriculture land. 60% of people belonging to the agriculture background, and our country's social economic benefits comes from the agriculture. once Once in a life we need to meet a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, but every day we need to meet a farmer.
సరే
If you want to eat a food, you need a farmer. A person who is giving a food to we is dying without a food. One day a man asked Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, what is the culture of India? And he said, the culture of India is agriculture, but we are damaging every day. When even for a small project, 60 trees were cut down. That was a great damage to the society. And H2O is the smallest molecule which no one can create in this world. And this is possible. Everything is possible by a young, powerful youth of tomorrow. Due to the chemical fertilizers, genetically modified food, we are not only killing our agriculture land, but our farmers and ourselves too. We are injecting chemical fertilizers into land. That means we are injecting our poisons into our blood, and due to this, we are suffering from cancers, and our lifespan is totally reduced. Even the most precious mother milk has become the poison, and our exports and imports rate are totally gone down. Once Japan has getting 10 lakhs tons of sesame from India, but now even single ton also not there. The major reason is chemical fertilizers. We have to import our natural fertilizers into our country. The only solution for this all is organic farming. And my dear friends, my question is to you is, have you ever heard about organic farming, and what is organic farming and what is the use of it? Organic farming avoids chemical pesticides, fertilizers, and seeks to increase soil fertility through feeding soil micro lives with residues from life such as garbage, compost, sewage, manures, plant residues, food processing wastage, and so on, etc. And organic farming relays the biological process to obtain high quality and yield, which are as good as the achieved using modern techniques as agriculture production. Organic farming means farming in the spirit of organic relationship between soil, water, plants, and between soil microbes, and waste products, and between the animal kingdom and plants kingdom, between agriculture and forestries, and between soil, water, and atmosphere. And let me know you that some practices of agriculture farming. Organic agriculture aims that to develop the variable on sustainable agriculture. Organic food is produced by the farm practices, farm management practices, and that seeks to nurture ecosystem which achieve sustainable productivity and produce weed and pest control through diverse mix of mutual uh, dependent life forms, and recycling plants and animal residues, and selecting proper crop selection, and crop rotation, and water management, and tillage and cultivation. Soil fertility is maintained by cultivating leguminous plants, and growing green leaf manures, and crop rotations, inter and mixed cropping, including legumes, and incorporation of organic materials or crop residues, application of farm add manure, and compost, and application of biofertilizers, and nothing but for example azolla and blue green algae, azotobacter, and so on, etc. And application of minimum tillage practices, and absorption of soil and water conservation techniques, control of weed by biological and mechanical methods, um, pest and disease control by achieving mainly by choosing appropriate variety of crop and balanced crop and crop rotation and mechanical cultivation processes and protection of natural enemies like predators and parasites, and by using botanical and biological pest control method. And next, I want to say the advantages of organic farming. It is not resultant in any environment pollution because it avoids use of chemical and plant protection chemicals and less energy to use in organic farming compared to
Rashekar, we kind of lost you.
I think we can give him the feedback because it was a fairly long presentation. Rajshekar, if you can hear us, it was very nice. Your body language is nice. Very good use of the hands and a very beautiful background, the beach and the coconut tree. Very interesting for your topic on farming, which is very, very important because I think half the problem of India, or rather 90% of the problem of India is solved because we are an agrarian society. We have seen how Europe and America are facing food crisis also because they export a lot of food.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, we lost you, but we're giving you the feedback now because your presentation.
Somewhat. Conclusion, madam. Some conclusion.
Okay, concluded. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I conclude with this: organic farming in India is safe venture, although it may take a while to establish and become fully functional. And our government is giving some subsidies for the commercial accepts, and for organic farming method, we are strictly allowed and required organic certification, which and have access to right market when organic farming in India is very profitable. So tell your nearby farmers about the importance of organic farming and save the earth from the pollution and heat healthy and be healthy. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Jai Hind.
Very nice that you rounded off, you wrapped it up with a Jai Hind, just like a true farmer would do. Are you from an agricultural background?
Yes, ma'am. I am from agriculture background, and I am also an agriculture student before a degree.
Really? Oh, very good, excellent. So you should help us with our garden and what we can do, or because we have a lot of land, no, in college we are planting trees, and our you should help us out, Rajshekar, and give us some ideas. The other day we were wondering during Haritaharam what kind of trees to plant on campus. So you all must come in front and tell us what would be best for the ecosystem of our college. I liked your presentation. I liked your body language, very confident. I like the way you used your hands because it's very important because it gives you that personal style. Your presence, your screen presence is very good. Your topic was very interesting because it is the need of the hour, and organic farming is something that must be promoted, and most of us are slowly shifting to that also. But like you said, it is very expensive in India still. Not everybody can afford. And also I like the way you concentrated on the damage that is being done because of the use of pesticides and artificial fertilizers and all. Very good presentation, and this is the shift that our country needs to make, and young students like you knowing that it is important is very good for the country. Very good, ma'am. Suchitra, ma'am.
Yeah, that was very nice presentation. I forgot what's his name, ma'am.
Rashekar.
Rashekar, it was very nice. This is your second presentation, because, and in the very first presentation, we were totally taken aback that you had given such a brilliant presentation, and you have again bounced back with another very nice presentation. As ma'am said, the topic was really very good topic, which is the need of the hour, because we are all prone to so many diseases. It's all because of the pesticides that are being used in the farming. right? As ma'am said rightly, that you are the young India who can promote this organic farming and go back to villages and help the villagers in using the best methodologies, right? So this is a very nice topic that you have given. You were very clear, you were very precise, your vocabulary was good, you were articulative, stress and volume was appropriate, and the pauses for emphasis was good, right? You were very relaxed also, you were very relaxed and confident. So this is what exactly one who presents need to have, all these qualities. And your gestures, as ma'am said, your body language, your screen sense, everything was perfect. Please keep presenting so that you can inspire many other students too. Thank you very much.
Rajshekhar, and do meet us. Which class are you from?
BSc MPC first year, ma'am.
Yeah, meet
MPC.
us when we come back to college.
Yeah, when we come back, because we need help from students like you. Okay.
Well done, Rajshekhar. Very well presented, but
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
presentation was kind of very long. I told you 2 minutes, but you took 6 minutes. Yeah, when you're introducing a concept, that is the issue. But then when you were reading it out, you were going very fast. But then finally, when you were explaining the concept, that's when the speed reduced and your eye movement, body gestures, they were all perfect. Something to do with the pronunciation, you were again making the same mistake of would and should. Would. L is silent in would. It's would and should, not would and should. Got it? That mistake here and there I found. Otherwise, perfect. Well done, ma. After the college reopens, we'll give you certificates who all gave these student presentations. Okay? Good luck.